Hi everyone, as you see in the title, I am sharing the BBA Glow Facial. BBA stands for Blemish Balm, Blemish Base, or we call Beauty Balm. This facial based on a pigmented vitamin serum. It's generally designed to serve as a foundation, moisturizer and sunscreen all at once. This fantastic treatment is very safe and does not go deep into the skin. The BBA Glow Serum is a professional, scientifically proven and quality tested skincare product. The BBA Facial, it's a semi-permanent. After lots of research, I choose #1 Korean brand which is approved by FDA. BBA Glow having Chinese brand in the market also, so it's a sensitive issue. We can't compromise with cheap products. The product which is I am going to use, it's a serum into ampules. It's having vegetable pigment inside. First we prepare the skin for treatment. We do cleansing, which is washes away dirt, dead skin cells, makeup and anything else that might clog pores or cause general dullness. And it's treats specific skin condition also. Now we are using Dr. Renaud Mulberry Intense Brightening Cream. This mulberry concentrate of lightening active ingredients has been formulated to diminish pigment, spots and visible lightening the complexion. After we have to do exfoliation, which is remove the dead cells, allowing the pores to absorb nutrient. This process will refine the top layers of skin, making pores appear smaller. This gives the skin healthy radiant glow, so the healthy skin will perform better. And with this scrubber we will remove the dead cells, whiteheads, blackheads, and it will prepare more clean skin for further treatment. Now we will clean the skin and we start using whitening stem cell ampules. It helps make skin look stronger and healthier and have a strong lightening effect. It helps in the process of removing wrinkles. This serum contains several plant extracts. The active ingredients provide a great brightening effect and wrinkle reduction. We will work with nano needles and infuse the pigment into the skin. This is a semi-permanent foundation going very shallow into the skin. It's gone quickly if we exfoliate our skin a lot or doing peeling. It lasts 4 to 6 months. It's going to help your fine lines, wrinkles. It's provide gradual lightening effect, improving your skin texture, neutralizes free radicals, restore even skin tone and radiant complexion. It's good for anyone, reduce skin discoloration. Even you have a skin issues like dull skin, mature skin, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, sunspots, anyone can get benefit from it. Because it's gone be set in the skin, not only on the top of skin. We feel firming and lightening effect with that. It's a new technology in the official range. One level light we choose according to skin tone and we try to match with neck also. According to the skin, we have to decide how many sessions you need it. After this session, you cannot go under the sunshine, avoid sweating on face 24 hours, no gym, no any scrubbing. In general, it helps smooth the skin. It also contains cotton extract which helps removes wrinkles and give the skin a smooth effect. The ampules are great for people with darker pigmentation, larger spots and pores. According to the skin, we have to decide how many sessions you need. We have to do that every next 3 days. First one is not showing the result that much we get in another second and third session. So this comes with the bunches of serum. Now we will use the sheet mask with the red light. Red light therapy can help with issues such as skin conditions, scarring and signs of aging including wrinkles, age spot, and gives bright effect on the skin. And after that we have to use the repair cream and don't wash the face till 24 hours and avoid for the sun exposure. You can see the lighting effect on her skin.